My name's Erin Kaler. I'm in 11th grade.
Hi, my name is Emiret Otero and I'm a senior.
Explore, Ready, Set, Teach with us.
At Splendora High School, our Ready, Set, Teach program gives students a real look into the world of education. Through hands-on experience in real classroom settings, our students learn how to lead, how to communicate, and how to make a difference.
When I realized I wanted to go into education was in first grade because I had my teacher, Ms. Morales, who really inspired me and never left me behind. She always made sure I had the strategies I needed. She gave me new techniques every time I needed, and I really felt like we need more teachers that inspire students to learn. This program has helped me grow as a leader by not only seeing how much people need other people, but by also helping me be more optimistic than I usually am.
Every time we walk in there, they all run up and hug us. And it's like, especially in the younger grades, they freak out.
What is something this program has taught you that you implement in your life today?
Probably the more leadership part because of drill team. Like I've learned how to deal with children, so it's kind of easier to deal with teenagers, if that makes sense.
They're building confidence, developing career skills, and discovering whether teaching is the path they want to pursue. Ready, Set, Teach doesn't just prepare future educators, it inspires them.